All right, those were my hot dogs in our brioche buns. I'm now coming in with 2 cans of our fire roasted corn, and I did drain these, and we're gonna just sprinkle that right on top of our hot dogs. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious lunch or dinner all in one pan. On top of our corn, I'm just gonna sprinkle on a little bit of diced onion. You don't need too much, just, just enough to where we get onion in each bite. That looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna bring in my lime, and we are gonna go ahead and get that juice right on top of our entire dish. We're kind of doing a Mexican take on a hot dog today, and I really think that it is gonna be a crowd pleaser. Okay, let's do that other lime half, super quick. Now this might kind of give it away, but we are gonna top this with some cojita cheese, and this is the already grated one, and we're gonna do some heavy handfuls of our cojita on our entire 9x13. I don't know if you guys have ever tried oven dogs before, but it's so quick, so easy. The quickest way to make hot dogs, and our little Mexican twist on it is just gonna make it 10 times better. All right, let's move our pan to the side and bring in a small bowl. And into our bowl, we're gonna add a generous amount of our real mayonnaise in there. I'm using Duke's, but you can use whatever kind you like. I think about a cup of mayo should be just great. And we are going to add our ground chipotle right in there. About a tablespoon of that. We're gonna do a tablespoon of our chili powder in there. Yummy. Now I'm sure you could find, an all-in-one seasoning, but these are the ones I'm using. We're gonna add some garlic powder because that's my favorite. A little extra because I really like garlic. And now we are just gonna whisk our seasonings into our mayo. All right, that looks so good. Let's bring back our Pyrex dish, and it is time to get our sauce right over those dogs. Okay, this is not as elegant as I hoped it would be. Let me go get a spatula. I kind of do some dollops here and there, and then we'll give it a little bit of a spread. Obviously, it doesn't need to be perfectly distributed. All right, that looks so good, and it smells good, more importantly. Now we're just gonna top this off with a little bit of cilantro. Obviously, this is optional, so if you don't like the taste of cilantro, you can skip this. But I love cilantro on mine, so I'm just gonna kind of pick and pull my little piece of cilantro right off and put it onto our dogs. Oh my goodness, doesn't that just bring such a nice color, a good little kick of flavor, some freshness, and this is gonna be so good. All right, now my favorite dinner lunch is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is only gonna be in there for 15 to 20 minutes. I wish you guys could smell these. Oh my goodness. They smell absolutely incredible. There's only one thing missing, and this is optional, but not optional in my house. And we're just gonna give this a nice little crush because I love hot Cheetos with my elote. All right, I think that's good enough. And we're just gonna do a nice little sprinkle. Oh, obviously that one didn't get crushed. That's okay. Oh yeah. You could also do Takis too if you prefer Takis over Cheetos, but I think that's gonna be incredible. It is time to get one of these babies out. Oh yeah. Oh, we lost some of the bun. That's no problem. Elote hot dogs. That is the best thing I've ever eaten. Wow.